So it is my final hour in Hong Kong after 3 crazy days. Just what a city, what a city. So in these final moments, I'm just taking the Ricoh GR for a dedicated spin. I also took the Ricoh out in the morning yesterday. Did a 3-hour hike up Victoria Peak yesterday. Underestimated the fitness trail. I think it was in the name, but it was just steps upon steps. And not only that, the treads are quite well. They're not deep enough, the treads here, so I'm scuffing up my trainers. I feel like I'm going to trip myself up when I'm on these steps. Before I forget, bumped into Roman Fox on the peak. Well, on the peak trail. Yeah, Roman's someone who inspired me just through watching his videos to go, you know what, I'll just start filming my weekends, posting videos, putting my face on camera like this. Of course, he's a lovely guy in real life, had some nice chats. So yeah, humidity has stepped up majorly this morning at least. Feels like 80 or 90%. I think it is around that. Air is thick, but getting a few shots. It's about 8 AM. It's very busy. I'm in the very west area, kind of in between Central and Kennedy Town. Really interesting area, very industrial. Naughty. Go, 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 go. I don't think my photos have done this density and this madness and everything about it. I don't think I've done it justice by way of photos. Highlights for me over these 3-4 days. Definitely, of course, the mass of it all, the mass of every building, bumping into Roman Fox twice in 3 days, almost literally. And you know what, the food, probably didn't choose correctly. The food I'm gonna do properly next time. Struggled this time. But yeah, in a few moments gonna be heading off to Seoul. So that's also gonna be a special trip